What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Self-the-Lawn Surgeon. And you already know what time it is. Tips and talk. Alright people, I'm hyped. The season has already started off. This season, let me try that again. This season has already started off with pressure. And I love it. And it just made me think, like, and this is not to discourage anybody, it's actually to motivate people. If you are not built for pressure, then you need to, and you want to be an entrepreneur, then you need to get built for pressure, if that makes any sense. Being an entrepreneur, being a business person, it comes with pressure. Especially, I mean, you're basically paying your bills off of the money that you make. It's not that you have a job and this job is consistently coming in, bringing in money. If you want more money, you have to go out and generate it. But this season, with all the rain we had all February, through my February schedule off, I'm supposed to be done with all my prepping of my yards right now. I'm supposed to be doing starting my mulching right now. I haven't even finished half of the yards prep. I still got things I need to do to my gravely, bro. But I am loving every minute of it. If y'all haven't seen me say this in other videos, I am a professional procrastinator. And I'm going to tell you a story, a long story, but interesting story of how I became a professional procrastinator and how being a professional procrastinator has helped me become built for being an entrepreneur. You have to be built for being an entrepreneur. Like I've done so much things in my life, and all of those things have come full circle to create me to today that is built for this. And you might not realize it too. You might not be utilizing all of the skills. You might have went through something in your life that you didn't realize was a skill, and now that you're trying to be an entrepreneur, that those skills will come in handy. So I'm going to tell you how I became a professional procrastinator, and it all starts with graphic design, which I have to go back to 2001, 20 years ago. It was the summer before my freshman year in college. I was at my college for the summer in a summer program, taking like English and math classes, and my roommate there, it was kind of a program to help you get acquainted to college life, like see if it's something you would like. And so my roommate there, he was like a computer guy. He had all these different programs, and he gave me some programs, and one program I kind of got drawn to was Photo Impact. It's like an off-brand of Photoshop, much easier to work. But I started using it, and I played around with it all summer long until the end of the summer. I was making like business cards and bulletins for my church back home, and that's where it all started, And so I went there my freshman year, whole freshman year. I learned how to do, taught myself graphic design using the program, which I didn't realize was graphic design. So the first year, my sophomore year, I went to another school. Then I came back my second year, my sophomore year. And in that second year, somehow I had gotten hooked up with somebody who was at the newspaper. And they said they needed a graphic designer. I said, okay. So I went and I worked there. It was kind of like an internship or whatever. I don't think I got paid. No, I don't think I got paid. So they told me the little graphics they wanted to make. I went home and I made it. And that next semester, the person that was the design editor, the editor-in-chief position opened, so she applied for that position and moved into there. And guess what? Wouldn't you know that the design editor position was open? So I applied for it and I got it. And now I'm editor-in-chief. And now, from a program that I got for free in the summer before my freshman year, I am making $900 a semester being editor-in-chief at the newspaper. That's crazy. I love telling that story. But that's not how I became a professional procrastinator. How I became a professional procrastinator goes forward. Now, at this point, I feel like a full-fledged graphic designer. And so, people used to ask me to do stuff, but of course I was super busy. I had school, I was the design editor for the newspaper, and people still asking me to do little stuff for them, flyers or whatever. And even if they asked me 2 months in advance, I would wait till the last minute. One, because I was kind of busy, and two, I love the thrill of doing something last minute and not only getting it complete, but getting it complete above average. Every time I did it, it gave me a sense of confidence that I can do anything in any amount of time. So, I say all that to say, I'm not telling y'all to be like me, be a procrastinator, but ironically, me being a procrastinator helped me in my lawn care business. It's a skill, and I'm trying to point out that you might have some skills that you don't realize are skills, but they can help you in your business. And that being me being a professional procrastinator helped me in the sense that I love pressure now. Like right now, I'm supposed to be doing one thing this month that I was supposed to be doing last month, and I got other stuff lined up, and this is like me figuring out how to do it, and not only do it, but do it above average. I love that. I love the thrill of that. So, I mean, I just tell you guys to sit back and think on your life. Good, bad, or indifferent. All the things you went through. How can you use those things you went through to possibly help with your business? You know? That's really all I had. But I'm super excited about this season, bro. This is kind of backwards. It's like the first season. I'm going into it wishing I had more time. Most of the time I'm going into the season, I'm so broke that I'm like, man, I can't wait for the season to start. Now I'm like, I wish I could push the season back. I really got like 2 weeks, bro, before this grass started growing. It was mad cold today for some reason. I don't know why. I talked about that clothing line the last time. I don't even want to tell y'all the name. I got a name for it. When y'all see it, y'all see it. And it's gonna be fly. Yeah. That's really all I got. I'm not even gonna like prolong this. Nice little short, sweet tipsy talk. Usually they're about 20-30 minutes, but I think I'm gonna end this here. Stay motivated, people. Be a procrastinator if you have to use a skill that you might not think is a skill, but find a way to use it and apply it into your business. Anywho, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, stay tuned. Yes, sir.